What do you do? Turn it back. What? I'm gonna turn it back. Hey, turn it back. Okay. Baby, turn it back. What? I see. Hey, turn it back. Hey, I'm gonna turn it back. Turn it back. See. Turn it back. Shoot, baby. What do you do? Someone cannot play with you. Is that how you used to do? Okay. Do this. I want your Scooby-Doo. Who there? Where I went? 1, 2, 3, yeah. Pascal la vista. Can I be friends with your sister? Don't get it twisted, I'm a star. Also barista. Pascal la vista. Can I be friends with your sister? By the time we should bring you the vistas. 1, 2, 3. Got you on chest, can't be calling back. What? I'm gonna call it back. Hey, let's see the first one, call it back. Baby, call it back. Fight me for a catchy, call it back. What? I'm gonna call it back. She give me a contract, call it back. Now I'm in the call it back. See, you said I said for this song, call it back. Hello? What about to work? Short boys don't do what to work. Bad girl, big good, what about to work? Lambo. We're about to do something. So this time, hold on, 1 minute. When I say, hold up, we do something, then what you gonna talk about? One time now, let's do this. Oh shit! Where my Mr. Do something? Do something, I see effective. 1, 2, 3. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Mr. Do something. Yeah. When I say, hold up, you do something. Hold up, you do something. This time, when you go, hold up, you do something. Hold up, you do something. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Hold up, you do something. See, what's better? Shut you come on. Hold up, you do something. Now we grab the balance. You come on. Hey, hold up, you do something. Hey, hold up, you do something. What you got, daddy, get that chef, mommy, daddy. What, daddy?